Hi everyone, it is Jennifer and Claire. We were gifted this large vanity desk with an LED mirror. It is 56 inches long. It is huge. It is all set up with shelves and glass cabinets and a power outlet. It even comes with a cushioned stool. Stay tuned to the end, and my husband graciously put this together for us, and we will show you step by step how to do this. So this is an ivory white color, and it does come with these LED lights on the inside. Really nice metal pulls for the drawers. The material is engineered wood, and this is heavy, it's substantial. This is 68 pounds. You get these nice hooks to put on the side, and there is also an outlet over there, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. This also comes with a remote control. You can change the colors, make it brighter and dimmer, and there's even a music function. So we're going to clap along in a little bit to make the music work for you so you can see all of that. We are loving this. So you have this really gorgeous glass on the outside that has the texture. All of the shelves are adjustable on the top and on the cabinets. So here we are clapping to the beat, and you can see how you can sync this. On the side, you have nice hooks and even an outlet so you can plug in what you need. This is so pretty. We are loving it. Now let's put it together. All right, the first thing that you always want to do with a big project like this is take everything out of the package and throw all of the trash away. This took about 4 to 6 hours depending on how you count this. And the first thing you're going to do is put the metal parts on, which is where we are going to attach the drawers. So you're going to make both sides and really pay attention to the instructions on which way to put those metal rails. That is key. Then we are just fastening the middle section, and now we are on to putting the lights in. Those were really easy to put in. Okay, this next part was a two-man job. This is heavy. The mirror part is heavy. So we put this together, and then once it was together, it took two of us to pick this up, and then we put it on to the desk part that had already been assembled. If you've ever done a furniture assembly, you know that the drawers take the most time. There are just a lot of screws. So as my husband always says, I just put in a podcast and take my time. Just put those all together, and we are so close. Okay, the drawers are now in. They work. Woohoo, this is always an exciting part. So those are in, and then next we are going to attach the cabinet doors. Very easy to do that. And then last but certainly not least, put together the bench that comes with it as well. It's really nice that you don't even have to worry about a chair. Okay, and that's it.